AI art versus human art. What AI reveals about creativity. What is AI art? AI art refers to images and works of art created using artificial intelligence, using the vast data sets of information and art created over all of human history. AI analyzes these compositions and reinterprets new works based on set rules and prompts given by a user. The processing capabilities, ability to generate variations, and complexity of image detail make AI art generation a compelling and powerful tool for anyone interested in visualizing their most fantastic ideas. As an artist, however, although I am thoroughly fascinated and excited with the possibilities AI art offers, I can't help but feel that humans are more than mere matter, and as an extension of our extra matterness, our art is sourced in something metaphysical. But to find out what AI-generated art reveals to us about the nature of creativity and what is the difference actually between human art and AI art, I interviewed ChatGPT to hear it from the horse's mouth itself. Here are the questions I posed to AI and its responses. How does AI art challenge traditional notions of creativity?
AI art challenges traditional notions of creativity in several ways. Generative capabilities. AI art is often created using generative algorithms that can produce an almost infinite number of variations, allowing for a level of creativity that goes beyond human capabilities. Human versus machine authorship. The role of the human artist in the creative process is called into question as AI algorithms can create art autonomously or with minimal human input. Originality. AI art can create new forms, styles, and aesthetics that are not possible with human creativity alone. Conceptual. AI art can also explore and raise questions about the relationship between humans, machines, and creativity itself. Interaction. Some AI art pieces are interactive and change based on the viewer's input. This can make the art piece more dynamic and create a unique experience for each viewer.
Can you explain to me what AI art reveals to us humans about the source of creativity?
AI art can reveal a number of things about the source of creativity. One of the main things it reveals is that creativity can be artificially generated through the use of algorithms and computer programs. Additionally, AI art can also demonstrate the potential for machines to be able to generate new and unique ideas, which challenges the traditional understanding that creativity is a solely human trait. Additionally, it also shows us how we can use machines to augment human creativity by providing tools and inspiration for human artists. AI art can also reveal the potential for computers to be able to understand and interpret artistic concepts and styles in a way that is similar to how humans do.
But isn't the source of AI art and creativity dependent on humans giving the prompts?
Yes, the source of AI art and creativity is ultimately dependent on human input, such as the data and algorithms used to train the AI model, and the prompts given to the AI to generate art. AI art is created using algorithms and computer programs that are designed by humans. These algorithms and programs use data and input provided by humans to generate new art. So, while the AI model may be able to generate new and unique art, it is still ultimately dependent on human input and direction. However, some AI models, such as GPT-3, can generate art by themselves, without human prompts, by using the knowledge they've learned from the dataset they were trained on. But even in this case, the dataset itself is curated by humans.
Is there an ultimate creative source?
It is debatable whether there is an ultimate creative source. Different people may have different beliefs or perspectives on where creativity comes from. Some may believe that creativity is an innate human trait, while others may believe that creativity is a product of the environment and experiences. Religious and spiritual beliefs often attribute an ultimate creative source to a higher power or deity. In philosophy, some argue that creativity is a product of the human mind and that the mind is able to generate new ideas and concepts through processes such as imagination, association, and reason. In science, some researchers argue that creativity is a product of the brain and its ability to make connections and associations between different pieces of information. Others argue that creativity is a product of evolution and the ability of organisms to adapt and survive in changing environments.
What happens to art if you remove joy from it?
It is unlikely that AI can truly enjoy the process of art making in the way that humans do. AI operates based on algorithms and programming and does not have the capacity for subjective experiences such as pleasure or enjoyment. However, it is possible for AI to be programmed to simulate the experience of enjoying the process of art making. For example, an AI could be designed to respond positively to certain inputs or to generate art in a way that mimics the behavior of a human artist who is enjoying the process.
Who is the author or who possesses the intellectual rights for AI-generated art?
In general, the person or entity that creates the AI algorithm or program that generates the art is considered the author of the work and would have the rights to the work, such as the right to reproduce and distribute the work. However, if the AI algorithm or program is created by an employee as part of their job, then the employer would be considered the author. In some cases, the artist who provides the data or input that the AI uses to generate the art could also be considered a co-author of the work. Additionally, the artist who curates the final piece generated by AI or who gives it a final touch could also be considered a co-author. In certain cases, it can also be argued that the AI itself could be considered the author of the work, but this would require a rethinking of the current legal framework and copyright laws, which are based on the assumption that authorship requires human creativity.
Does creating and generating art mean the same thing?
Creating and generating art can have similar meanings, but they can also have distinct connotations. Creating art typically implies that the artist is actively involved in the process of making the art, using their own skills, knowledge, and imagination. On the other hand, generating art usually implies that the art is being produced through a process of computation or automation, rather than through a process of human creativity and imagination.
Is there anything such as an original piece of art?
In one sense, an original piece of art is something that is created for the first time by an artist and is not a copy or reproduction of something that already exists. In this sense, an original piece of art is something that is unique and has not been seen before. However, it's also important to note that art is often influenced by other art and artists, and many artists throughout history have borrowed and adapted ideas and techniques from other artists. In this sense, it can be argued that all art is influenced by other art and there are no truly original pieces of art.
Does the soul have a role in producing art?
In some belief systems and philosophical perspectives, the soul is considered to be the innermost essence of a person and is thought to be the source of emotions, creativity, and imagination. From this perspective, it could be argued that the soul plays a role in producing art, as it is the source of the artist's inspiration and creativity. On the other hand, some people may argue that art is simply a product of the artist's skills, training, and knowledge and that the soul does not play a role in producing art. From this perspective, art is seen as a product of the artist's technical abilities and understanding of the medium, rather than as a reflection of their innermost essence. It's worth noting that this is a highly debated topic and different people may have different beliefs and perspectives on the role of the soul in art.
So there you have it, folks, straight from the horse's mouth. What do you think? Let me know in your comments below, and please follow and subscribe to my channel, and visit the original website, my blog, at fromlighttoart.com. Hope to see you soon. Thanks.